Robinhood is the black hole of meme coins right now, sucking in all of the liquidity and the attention. So naturally, almost every team in crypto is racing to launch their own launchpads on Robinhood Chain. Seems like we have a clear winner, but we can't miss the other launchpads. So today, I'm showing you 4 different meme coin slash token launchpads on Robinhood, which launchpads are picking up volume, and what you should choose. Let's get into it. But before we get into the video, this is not financial advice, so do your own research. Thank you very much. To understand more about this launchpad war, we have to go way back to when NOSA, the biggest launchpad on Robinhood, shut down. Robinhood Chain officially launched on July 2nd, 2026 as an Ethereum Layer 2. It was designed primarily for tokenized stocks, but that isn't what drove the initial hype. Within just days, the chain was flooded with meme coin trading. Daily volume quickly climbed into the hundreds of millions of dollars, led by a breakout token called the Cashcat token. At the peak of the frenzy, one trader famously turned just $86 into well over $1.6 million, a staggering 19,000x return. Now, NOSA was the launchpad at the center of all that explosion. In just over a week, it facilitated the creation of roughly 60,000 tokens and generated nearly $12 million in protocol fees, making it one of the fastest growing launchpads in crypto. So, after NOSA stepped back, where did all of that activity actually go to? Well, instead of looking at raw launch numbers, I ranked these platforms or launchpads by graduated trading volume. That means tokens that actually made it to the real trading, not just tokens that got created and instantly died, only the best ones. So number one, we have Pons.family. Pons.family is by far the leader of this launchpad raise. $74 million in graduated 24-hour volume, more than the next several launchpads combined. Out of 12,960 total launches, about 5,785 tokens graduated, a 44.6% graduation rate. In other words, almost half of every token launched on the platform is actually making it to the open market instead of dying immediately after launch. That is a very solid sign. During its first 4 days live, the protocol generated around $200,000 in revenue. Nearly all of that was used to buy back and burn the Pons token. And yes, they do have an official Pons token, with about 18.35% of the total supply already burned and is counting. Up until this point, Pons had about $1.5 billion in all-time volume. Crazy. They have also paid out over $10 million in creators' earning to the token creators, and now they're building Pons V2 on top of Uniswap V4 to help make Pons the bridge between memes and real-world assets on Robinhood. Because of the constant buybacks, Pons token is sitting at about $30 million in market cap. But the peak market cap was about $67 million in all-time high. So Pons is clearly the market leader right now. No one is even close. Though new opportunities always arise, so you have to check out these other launchpads. Number two is Bankr. Now, Bankr has about $6.1 million in graduated volume, about 1,400 graduated out of about 3,800 launches, a 35% graduation rate. Now, Bankr was actually started on Base as a reply deploy meme coin bot on Base back when they still had Forecaster, but it has evolved to include Robinhood recently, and the responses have been generally great. If you ignore the fact that Bankr X account was hacked not too long ago and posted several scam meme tokens, well, I believe this is more because of X poor security, since there are plenty of these X account hacks happen. Creators launching coins on Bankr will earn most of the trading fees, while some flow back to the Bankr token, which is at about $33 million in market cap right now. The all-time high was about $120 million though. Next on our list, number three is Flap. Now, Flap is gaining momentum as the top launchpads on Robinhood. It started with the BNB chain ecosystem, which it is the top two launchpads besides Formeme. At the first glance, the platform actually looks pretty solid. The UI is clean, it's easy to navigate, and right at the top, you'll see that it's backed by Yeezy Labs, which definitely adds some credibility. In terms of activity in the last 24 hours, Flap is doing around $800,000 in graduated trading volume on Robinhood. It has seen about 7,500 token launches, yet only 13 have actually graduated. This is such an interesting number. That's a graduation rate of just 0.2%. The reason it's pretty simple. I guess launching a token on Flap is extremely easy and inexpensive, so thousands of tokens get created with almost no barrier to entry. Most of them are low effort memes with no community, no clear narrative, and no real demand. They technically count as launches, but they never gain traction or meaningful trading volume. That's why the raw launch count looks impressive, while the graduation rate remains incredibly low. Now, if you looked at how many tokens are launched, then Flap would look like one of the biggest platform on Robinhood. But once you look at the graduation rate, though, the picture changes completely. With that said, Flap recently had that real world asset backing meme coin trend going on, so it's definitely picking up volume. So yeah, it is optimized for quantity as well as new trends because they do integrate those trends very pretty quickly. So yeah, check it out if you want to hop into the real world asset trend with the meme coin. And finally, there is one platform that I think doesn't really fit into the meme coin category, more like a tech or AI agent coin, right? It is Virtuals. Now, Virtuals is an AI agent infrastructure integrated into Robinhood Chain from day one. And in its first week alone, the chain saw about $77 million in agent trading volume, over 2,100 agents deployed, and $1.3 million already paid out to the people who built those agents. Different category, of course, worth tracking though for a different reason. Now, if you're here purely for the meme coins, this probably isn't the first platform that I'd watch. This is more for the tech coin, AI agent coin, right? But if AI agents continue becoming a bigger narrative, which I think it is, virtuals could become much more important than its current volume suggests, because all of the launches on virtuals, at least of the major tech platforms, they all went up to few millions dollars in market cap. So they are pretty solid in terms of tech. And right now, almost all of those tokens are trading at a very discounted price, sub $100,000 in market cap. I mean, they previously were a couple millions, right? So this is definitely a price range that I would be looking for to get in if I were to be interested in tech slash AI coins. Obviously, on Robinhood, there are dozens of launchpads that are also worth a quick look if you want to go deeper, like Click and Ape among them as well, or Potato Launchpad. They are all show, meaningful like revenue, although they are quite low and the activity is quite insignificant. If you were to look for meme coins and runners on Robinhood, I would just stick at the top launches. Obviously, you don't have to go to these launchpads, different websites to track for new token launches. You can just use a trading terminal. I'm using GMGN, for example, to track all of these launches or new tokens on all of these different launch pads so I don't miss any. So I suggest you to do the same. The link is in the description. All right, and that's my quick review on these different launch pads on Robinhood and what I think is the launch pad that you should go to. Now, if you're more into meme coins, go for Pons. It is obviously the biggest launch pads out there. If you're looking for a real world asset backed meme coin, then go for Flap. But obviously, Pons is building its V2 integrating real world assets, so I will be waiting for Pons to do that. If they have it, this V2 version, then the next token, real world asset backed that are running on Pons will be the one I think running to the millions of dollars in market cap. So I will be paying attention. And lastly, if you're looking for AI agents and tech coins specifically, then look at Virtual's Launchpad. At the time of making this video, the AI agent and also the real world asset trends are really picking up volume. So I will be looking at Virtuals and Flap Launchpads for now. As soon as Pons release their V2, I'll be looking into Pons as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want more videos like this, or if you want me to instruct you guys how to trade meme coins on Robinhood, what's my filters and what I'm looking for, then let me know down in the comments. I'll do a dedicated videos on that. I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe out there. Daily out.